Hey everyone, Colin here, and wanted to give you this tutorial on the new Site Builder Plus from Global Domains International. So for those of you who might not know, Global Domains International is a website hosting company that gives you an incredible package for your own internet web presence, all for just $10 a month. That includes .ws domain name, website builder software, up to 10 custom email addresses, and hosting, all for just $10 a month. And the best thing is, you can try it all out for free for 7 days. All right, you can try it out for free for 7 days. Just go ahead and click on the link in the description and start your free trial. So we're going to go through the new Site Builder Plus, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is for you to build your own website now. Okay, so let me first just do this little verification thingy here. Alright, and when you come to your login platform after you sign up, you're going to go down here to where it says where to go. Just go straight to build my website. Go ahead and click on the sign in button. Click on the domain name that you chose, and it's going to open up the dashboard manager for your site builder. Okay, and I'm going to go right here and start from scratch. You can actually build multiple websites for the same domain, and you can just kind of switch over to whatever look or feel that you want. All right, so we're going to go here to create site, and let's say I wanted to start a restaurant. Now they have dozens of pre-designed, beautifully organized website templates, full websites already built. You can just change colors, you can change the names of the pages and the graphics and the content, and it's all yours, already done. I'm going to go to restaurant in this case, and let's just say I want to choose this one. I want to take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it gives me an example right now of what this website will look like. And right now we're in multi-page mode, so that simply means there's more than one page. You know that there's a lot of sites right now that have a single page where everything is contained on one page. You just scroll all the way down for everything, right? So this is a multi-page layout. So I'm scrolling, I mean, look at this, beautifully designed. Look at that, graphics are already in, right? It gives you a layout, a suggested layout that you can have for this site, right? Look at this, great stuff, right? So if I want this, I can use it, and now I can look through here to see how the sub pages will look. Here's the reservations page. So they have all of this kinds of stuff already built in for you. Okay, so that's the multi-page layout. What does the single page layout look like? I'm going to go ahead and click on single page, and it will actually pull up what the single page layout looks like for. So it's just one page for the entire website, right? And scroll down, everything is there. All right, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. So let's just say I want to go with this layout, a single page layout. I'm going to go ahead and click on create site. So here we are now inside of the editor, okay? And everything that the main things that you need right here are located on the left side. Okay, if we click on the settings, you can see it has some general things here, right? So a favicon. The favicon is when you look at the tab that you're in the left, on the left side of the name of the tab, you can actually display your logo or something like that, right? So you can upload something right there in terms of the favicon. Okay, manage domain names. This wouldn't be applicable at this point. So Google services, right? If you have Google Analytics, etc., you can put all of that stuff. You know, you just click on each of these areas, and you can connect your Google Analytics and those respective settings. Social. So if you want to put in whatever your Instagram page is, Pinterest, whatever it might be, you can connect those so that you can integrate that to your site, right? Legal, right? So you can put a cookie banner, right? Which is the thing that pops up like this, right? Perfect, right? We use cookies, etc., letting people know. So this is for GDPR compliance, all right? And people can accept, you know, etc. So you can actually look at that, add that all in. So all of that stuff is there, okay? Your advanced stuff. What do you want your error page to look like, or do you want to delete the site? Okay, all that stuff is there in your settings. Now let's go here in terms of editing the existing site. So right here, of course, you'll see there's a logo. If I want to change that to my particular company, there's an image, right? So if I want to change it, I can click here to go to upload it from my own computer, right? I can upload it from my computer and just change that logo if I want. Okay, so very easy to do. All right, down here now. So here is a banner, obviously. So everything is in blocks, right? So this is also now one big block. Let me, if I can zoom out a little bit. Right, okay. So we're dealing with this section right now, okay, which is everything that you see here from the bottom of this picture right here to the top. This entire thing is one big block. And inside of this block, we have some header text, right? Big text, big font. We have smaller font here for another explanation. So I can just go, hey, you know what? Let's say my company is Salads Incorporated. And in here, I'll just put the best salads in Caribbean. Period. All right, now, okay. Just work with me here, okay? So, and here's a picture for the background of this. Now, if I wanted to edit this picture, I look over here, just move your mouse over the section and then look to the right. You have some options. Do you want to delete this section? Do you want to duplicate this section? Do you want to move it in terms of to another place? So for example, if I click on move, right, then it'll ask me, where do you want to move this block? Because here's my website, so it shows me how my website looks. Where do you want to move this thing? Do I want to move it here into the second section of my website? Now if you look at the website, now at the top, look, it's not at the top anymore. See, it's down to the bottom. I don't want to do that. I want to keep this at the top. So look at how easy it is for you to move one section of your website to another place, right? See that? I can actually click and move the respective places for the website. If I wanted to have my booking form right up here near the top, right, I can have it right here. So it's so easy just to move things around, okay? All right. So let's come out of the move block section. So again, we were right here. Now the background, if I want to change the background, it's as easy as this. I already have a photo that's here, but if I want to change it to a video, I can click on that, and then all I need to do is paste the URL. So go to YouTube or wherever it is that you might have your video, and you just paste your URL right here, and it will change the background to a video background. If I want a slider which has multiple images, for example, I'll just click on slider, and where it says edit slider, this is where now I would you know, put in my slides, autoplay it, etc. If I want to put in a map, I can do that. But in the photo, let me show you something really cool. So I want to, like I said, if you want to upload a different background, you can go ahead and click on that here to change it, right? So when I click on this, you have options. You can upload from your computer. You can go to My Photos, which are photos that are already saved on your website, to change it. If you have anything in the cloud, like once again, if you connect your Instagram, your Facebook, your Dropbox account, you can connect those accounts and you can pull a picture off of one of your social media sites. Or you can go to get some royalty-free images. So let's just say restaurant. I mean, look at how cool this is. Look at the access that you have to all these different photos. So let's say I really like this one. I'm going to select this photo. And now look at my background. See, my background has completely changed, right? Guys, look at how easy this is. This is, I mean, anybody can have a very professional web presence that you can do all by yourself, okay? There's also an affiliate program as well, so you can refer, other people to take advantage of these services, and you can get paid a 10% referral fee on their monthly billing, right? So the company shares its profits with you, okay? So once again, you can get started in the description below. So anyway, so here's how easy it is then to change the background, right? Just moving your mouse over it and looking at your options on the right gives you everything you need. Here's again is another section, new flavors. Alright, I'm just putting in some information here. Now, what if I want to edit this information, how it looks? I just highlight it, and see I can make it bold, I can underline it, I can make it italicized, I can align it center, left, or right. I can insert a hyperlink, so if I want some of this text to link to another website or to another place, I just highlight that word or words. I click on the link tab. Do I want to link it to one of my pages existing on the website? Do I want to link it to an email address, a phone number? I can put all of that directly into the link. Very cool, right? All right, I can increase the size of the font, right? All of that can be done. Again, there's a little space here. Okay, if I want to increase the size of the space, I can just drag it, just creating more space between the different blocks, right? Again, here's another beautiful photo. If I want to change this photo, I click here and I see my options. I can click replace. Again, I go to clouds, free photos, sorry, restaurant, and let's say I just want this one. So even if you don't have a bunch of images, this is all set up and it's royalty free, right? They're giving you, well, this is not the best picture for a salad company, is it? All right, but that's all right. You know what? Let me cancel. So you can confirm, you can apply it to save the change, all right? Which in this case, sorry guys, I got it. Let me go ahead and change this again. So I go back to my photos. I think this was the picture I had. I will select it. I will put that back. Okay. All right, great. Signature dishes. So this is where, if you have photos already, once again, you can upload these various photos. Okay, you can upload these various photos and change things around here. Just change each of those. Go in here. You can change the name of the dish. Give an explanation of what it's like. What's the cost? You can edit all of that right here, right? So you have a fixed menu. People can always see what's available and they see a beautiful picture of it as well. Okay, so anything that I need to change, guys, it's just that easy. I just double click it and I type the change. That's all. Extremely easy, very user friendly, right? So guys, that is how easy it is for you to build a website using the new Site Builder Plus from Global Domains International. Okay, now look at your pages. What if I want to change my pages? So once again, this is a single page site. So in this case, there's no other pages, right? But if I wanted to add a page, I could click it right here. Do I want to add a page or a folder or a link? Let's just say I wanted to add a page. And I said, I want you to duplicate the way that this site looks. And I want to duplicate the home page. Okay, then it'll create another page for me. Right, here's home 2. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the name of this page. Maybe I'll make this page about us. Now normally, you know, I chose a single page site, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to make these changes. I can add, I can add pages or remove pages as I see fit. Do I want to set it as the home page? I can do it. Do I want to temporarily just hide this page for now? Maybe I'm launching a very specific product later on, and I don't want people to see this page now. I can just click on hide page, and then when I'm ready, I will unhide the page. Okay, so the title and the description, this is something for the search bots, right? You can change that information right there. But I'm going to go ahead and delete this page because I really don't want it in there. Okay. All right, so that is how you deal with the pages. You can add or remove pages as you see fit for your website. Now the other thing is, what if I want to add blocks? Okay, what if I want to add blocks? Now, for the sake of keeping this tutorial short and sweet, I'm not going to go too much into this right now. What I will do is I will create a separate video that will show you how to build a website from scratch if you want other parts, right? If you want other parts in it. But let's just say in the last part of this tutorial now, let's say there's a part here that's missing. Maybe there's a map. Maybe I want to put in a map and a location for where my business is. And let's say I want to put it right here under book, under, you know, making a booking. So what I do here is I would go to the build section and I'll say, okay, here is a map option. Okay, and I can move over here. I can drag it right there, drag and drop, and look, now I have a map. If I click on it and I click on edit, right, now it says type in the address. So when I type in the address, it will bring up the correct address for wherever my business is. So again, guys, look at how easy and how incredible the Site Builder Plus is. All right, so get your web presence. We are living in a time and age right now where everybody, you need to have a web presence without a doubt. If you want to try to get a job, you know what, if you have your own web presence on your resume, you can actually have your resume as your website and have that included on your resume. It'll show that you have, you know, some technological skills. And once again, very, very simple to do. This is an incredible tool. It's the simplest thing that I've found, you know, in terms of a web building platform. This is as easy as it gets. This is as good as it gets. All of this is included in your $10 per month package. Doesn't get any easier than that, guys. So go ahead, and I encourage you to check it out today. Go ahead, sign up in the link in the description, or the link that, you know, somebody else forwarded this to you because they're an affiliate. You know, sign up with the link that was given to you, and it's free, right? It's free for 7 days. Try out all of the services. If you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, cancel. It's just that simple. All right, guys, enjoy. Take care. And looking forward to seeing what kind of websites you come up with. When you're done, all you got to do here is click on the publish button and your site will be live. If you want to see what your site looks like, it's responsive, right? So you can go to tablet view to see what your website will look like on a tablet. You can click on the cell phone view to see what it will look like on a cell phone. Okay. And you can click on the preview tab just to open up a new tab and see what the website looks like what it actually looks like, right, in full effect. Look at this beautiful site that literally I made in just minutes with the new Site Builder Plus from Global Domains International. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.